By the end of the 19th century, physics seemed almost complete, but there were questions that the great scientists could not yet answer. What is time and how does light actually move? Before Albert Einstein changed the world, there were others who paved the way.
Perhaps time is not absolute. Perhaps each observer experiences his own time.
Henry Poincaré was one of the first to talk about the relativity of time and proposed that the laws of physics should be the same for all observers in motion. It was a revolutionary idea, but still linked to the concept of ether.
The equations must be adjusted if the speed of light is constant. These transformations could explain it así. Así.
Hendrik Lorentz developed the famous transformation that describes how time and space are modified when something moves at high speed, but to him they were just a mathematical tool, not a description of reality.
What if there's not ether? What if the time depends on the observer? If the light is constant, then everything must change?
In 905, at just 26 years old, a young man named Albert Einstein took a step further. He accepted the idea of Poincaré and Lorentz, but gave them a new meaning. For him, time and space were not fixed, they were relative.
Albert, if you want to go further, I will need this.
Marcel Grossmann, mathematician and close friend of Einstein, was key to the further development of general relativity. Thanks to his help, Einstein found the mathematics needed to describe how gravity is not a force, but a curvature of space-time. Poincaré questioned the nature of time. Lorentz provided the equation of change. Grossmann offered the necessary mathematical language, and Einstein, he brought it all together in a new way of looking at the universe.
It is not a correction. It is a new way of understanding space and time.
The history of relativity does not begin with Einstein, but it does transform with it. Thanks to the work of brilliant minds that preceded him, Einstein was able to see beyond, because in science, even the biggest idea, they are the fruit of a shared journey.